I'm going to show you how to print a floor plan and a 3D view of your Xactimate sketch. Here I have a sketch that I want to have as a report. Select Reports in the upper right of your window. The Reports window opens. If you want to only have the sketch portion of your estimate in your report, click the Deselect All button, then click in the box next to Sketch. For more options, go to the Sketch tab of the Reports window. Here, you can select the boxes to include many print details. Click on the Edit Default View button to turn on or off specific features of the sketch. In this case, I'm turning off the legend and turning framing on. Select the View button to see a preview of the report. Notice that the legend showing which direction is north is missing from the bottom right corner, and that framed walls have stud marks. From the preview, I can print or save a PDF file as needed. Printing a 3D view of your sketch is very similar. From the Floor Plan Sketch view, select the number 3 on your keyboard. This is the shortcut to see the 3D view. Right-click any empty space next to your sketch. Choose Save View from the menu. Name your view. You can create other views to include in the report by adjusting the 3D angle and giving it a name. Click on Reports in the upper right of the window. Deselect All, then click the box next to Sketch. Select the Sketch tab at the top of the Reports window and select the views you want to include, or select All in the Views window. Click the View button to see a preview of the report. From the preview, I can print or save a PDF file as needed. And that's how to print a floor plan or a 3D view of your sketch in Xactimate.